Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of web development and SEO, focusing on the importance of using semantic HTML tags. Stick around because we've got some valuable insight to share. Let's start with the basics. Why do you need to use semantic HTML tags in your web development projects? Well, besides making your code more readable for fellow developers, there are two critical reasons. Accessibility. First and foremost, semantic tags play a crucial role in web accessibility. While sighted users can easily distinguish different parts of a web page, it's not the same for those who are blind or visually impaired and rely on screen readers. Properly implementing semantic tags allows screen readers to communicate your content accurately. This ensures that everyone, regardless of their abilities, can access and understand your website. The second reason to embrace semantic HTML tags is SEO. Search engine optimization is all about making your website more visible to search engines like Google. Semantic tags provide essential information about the content's role within your page. This helps search engine crawlers like Googlebot better understand your content. And guess what? It increases the chance of your site ranking higher in search engine results. So pages with correct semantic HTML have a significant advantage in SEO. Now that we understand why semantic HTML is vital, let's take a look at some of the most common semantic HTML elements. We'll divide them into two categories based on their usage. Semantic HTML tags for structure. First up, we have structural tags introduced in HTML5. Header element defines introductory content of a page or section. Nav element is used for navigation links. Main element contains the main content of the page. Article element defines content that can stand independently. Section element groups nearby content with similar themes. A side element contains less important content, often used for sidebars. Footer element is placed at the bottom of a page for context and copyright information. Semantic HTML tags for text. Now let's move on to the tags for written content. These tags define headings of various levels of importance. H1 represents the highest level of importance, while H6 represents the lowest. The P tag represents a standalone paragraph of text. It helps structure textual content on a web page. The A tag is used for creating hyperlinks. You can use it to link to other web pages, resources, or even different sections within the same page. The OL tag is used to create an ordered list. It's typically used when you want to list items in a specific sequence or order, such as steps in a tutorial. The UL tag is used to create an unordered list. Unlike ordered lists, unordered lists don't have a specific sequence, and items are typically represented with bullet points. These tags are used for quotations. Q is used for shorter inline quotations, while block quote is used for longer multi-line quotations. The EM tag is used for emphasizing text. It typically renders as italicized text and is used to give emphasis to a particular part of the content. The strong tag is used for strong emphasis. It typically renders as bold text and is used to indicate strong importance or emphasis within the content. The code tag is used for displaying computer code. It's often used when you want to showcase code snippets within your web page. Best practices. Before we wrap up, here are some of the best practices when using semantic HTML. Don't use semantic HTML tags for styling. HTML tags should not be used solely for styling. Use CSS for that purpose. Nest heading tags with semantics in mind. Order header elements by importance to create a logical hierarchy. Don't just copy your visual layout. Your HTML should follow the semantic structure of the page, not just mimic the visual layout. And that's a wrap for today's video on the importance of semantic HTML tags in web development and SEO. Remember, using semantic tags not only makes your code cleaner, but also enhances accessibility and SEO performance. If you found this information valuable, give us a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, happy coding!